Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. I love having wind in my face all the time, and that is why I love this little fan by AGEYOU. It has been so nice to have on my nightstand at night. You can go from 1 to 10 depending on how cold you want to be. Another nice thing is it's super quiet. You'll be able to feel the wind, but you will not hear it. Another great thing about this is it's chargeable. So on my nightstand, it's easy to plug in, no problem. But if I'm working around the house or I need to go to the office or anything like that, I can just unplug this and this little baby stays on. It's so nice. It tells you your battery power all the time so you can see when you're getting low. It lasts for several hours, even on the highest level. There is an oscillating feature. It also has a timer setting, which I find really nice for when it's not plugged in. You don't have to worry about the battery dying when you're not using it. It will shut off after 2 or 4 hours. So if you want some nice wind in your face, I highly recommend this fan. It is so cute, so sleek, so small, but so powerful. And that's my point of view.